TopCare HVAC offers fast and reliable air handler repair services in Oakville to keep your home comfortable year-round. If your system is making strange noises, not blowing enough air, or struggling to keep your home cool, our experienced technicians are ready to help. Based on the service information from TopCare HVAC, their team handles professional diagnostics and repairs for residential and commercial HVAC systems. We quickly identify the problem and provide dependable repairs to restore proper airflow and system performance. Don't let a faulty air handler affect your comfort. Contact TopCare HVAC today for trusted air handler repair services in Oakville. TopCare HVAC, reliable comfort you can count on.